Political fixer and controversial businessman Brown Mokgotsi has threatened to reveal the names of other individuals who allegedly received money from attempted murder-accused entrepreneur Vusimuzi Cat Matlala. National Police spokesperson Athlinda Mathe confirmed that officers visited Mokgotzi's premises as part of an ongoing investigation that has already been discussed before both the ad hoc committee in Parliament and the Matlanga Commission of Inquiry. Mokgotsi, an alleged associate of embattled Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, has been widely accused of siphoning money from Matlala to bankroll ANC activities. He has been implicated in alleged unlawful interference within the South African police services. Mokgotsi has featured prominently in early testimony at the Matlanga Commission, with multiple witnesses pointing to his proximity to high-ranking SAPS officials, his reputation as an information peddler, and his alleged role in undermining the integrity of law enforcement. Now, speaking from Johannesburg following the raid, Mokgotsi said he was not at his northwest premises when the police arrived, but intended to head himself over to the Sandton police station on Friday. He expressed an interest in testifying before the Matlanga Commission, warning that he would name others who had also received money from Matlala. In one of the radio stations, I said if Cat was able to fund the ANC's January 8th conference with 100,000 rands, what don't you think he has told me who else has given money to? Now they're making it about Brown Mokgotsi, and they're talking about the 138,000 rands for January the 8th. A lot is coming. Yes, a lot is coming in a week or two. I will be in the Matlanga Commission to give my side of the story. Now, asked about his current relationship with Matlala, Mokgotsi said, the Odi alteram partem rule here, the other side applies, meaning the accused should also be given the opportunity to respond. Mokgotzi's name has featured prominently in WhatsApp messages presented at the Matlanga Commission, which allegedly shows how he leveraged his ANC connections to solicit money from criminals for personal benefits. Now, some funds were reportedly used to finance ANC activities. Now, last week, a publication called IOL reported that the ANC had distanced itself from allegations of organized criminal activities involving Mokgotsi, stating that he was not a registered member of the party. However, Mokgotsi did hit back, insisting that his membership remains valid and that he can prove it. He said, "I am a member of the ANC and I shall remain a member, a volunteer of the African National Party. That is the status," Mokgotsi said at the time. Now, in contrast, the ANC Secretary General had told reporters that Mokgotzi's membership at the ANC had expired, meaning the Northwest businessman was no longer part of the movement. However, Mokgotsi dismissed the claims, accusing Mbalula of acting prematurely and relying on untested information presented to the Matlanga Commission of Inquiry. What do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me, of course, in the comment section down below, and like, share this video. I'll see you in the next one.